Hello there, this is how to install Aclas PP7X thermal printer. So first you'll need the drivers. This is the software that makes the printer known to your computer. Then of course you'll need to have the printer plugged in and also powered on. So first, to confirm whether you have a printer powered on your system, just go to the control panel like so. Then check, you realize that if you have the printer already plugged in, you'll see it here, but it's not now recognizable by the system because we do not have the drivers on the system. So once you have it there, then go to your driver file. So in my case, my driver file is this one. Then navigate to Aclas driver, install, then run the setup. You can just double click or right click, then run as an administrator, then click on yes. Then on this option, start by running the COM option. This one will provide the connectivity because the printer is not recognizable. It's initially anchored on the COM port. So if you run the COM port, you have the drivers installed. So you wait until the wizard runs. So after doing the installation on COM port, then again you double click. Now this time, because you are installing on the USB, which is more stable, you now just select USB, then click OK, then install. You'll get a pop-up saying the printer already exists. So from there, then you go to control panel again. You go to the control panel, the open window, you can check, you realize the printer has already been added. But when you check on the properties, at the moment, printer properties, you can see the ports on which the printer is anchored at the moment is COM port, and this one is not usually stable. So you scroll down to find out the serial port that was made when you, the USB port that was made when you did the USB installation, and most of it will have a description, Aclas, PP7X, something. So in my case, it's this one. Choose that one, then you apply. So just to test whether your installation was successful, you try printing a test print. Then you get your printer printing. So next time we'll talk about installing it on using the internet. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching.